for school. Huh? Oh, another day. Put on my Meghan Markle slippers. That Indian food last night didn't sit well. Oh, I shouldn't sleep with my makeup on. Time to brush my teeth. Where's my toothpaste? I bet the girls came in and took it. Naiah.
Yes?
Did you borrow my toothpaste again and didn't put it back in my bathroom?
No, I have my own toothpaste. It was probably Ellie.
Ellie?
Yes?
Naiah said that you borrowed my toothpaste without permission and didn't put it back.
I didn't do that. She's probably making it up so I get in trouble.
You girls. What am I supposed to brush my teeth with? Water? What? Where did this toothpaste come from? I bet one of them ran in here and snuck and put it back so they wouldn't get caught. Oh, those girls. All right, time to brush my teeth. I can't believe I slept in my makeup again. What is wrong with me? Oh, let me just... I definitely got to do something with this hair. What is this? It's yellow! This isn't toothpaste. It's yellow slime. One of those girls did this. Who would put yellow slime in my toothpaste? It must be Naiah and Elli. Naiah! Did you put yellow slime in my toothpaste? No!
Mommy, I didn't do this.
Well, I got yellow all over my teeth. If you didn't do it, then who did?
I hate to say it, but I think Ellie gotcha.
Ellie? Ellie!
Huh?
Did you put slime in my toothpaste?
No, I didn't do that.
Are you sure? Because Naiah seems to think you did.
Totally not me. She's making it up so I can get in trouble.
One of you put glue in here. Would you like to brush your teeth with yellow glue?
Oh yeah, that sounds cool.
Of course you think that's cool. Ugh.
I can't believe Naiah blamed me. I'm gonna go talk to her. Naiah? That's not cool. You try and make me in trouble. What you have to do, you're always trying to prank people. You know that wasn't me. It has to be you. Ellie, I don't play silly pranks. Remember once when you put Vaseline over the whole door? And you saran wrapped the toilet. And you filled the bathtub with Orbeez. I guess you kind of caught me. Yeah, I know I do pranks sometimes, but this totally wasn't me. But don't blame me anymore if you don't know who it is.
Just clean out this sink with all this slime. Now I'm gonna get a new toothbrush. All these pranks. I think I'm just gonna go make breakfast. All right, what do I want to eat today? Ooh. I can make myself some cheese toast. Make a nice brioche. Let me turn this to 1. I don't like my toast too dark. Let me go get some cheese. Looks like I only have string cheese. I should do an egg. Ooh, there's cream cheese. I like that on big. Hello? Girls? That was weird. I thought I just heard something. Look at this. They've eaten my entire pack of string cheese. Now I only have 1 left. And of course, they left the empty pack in the fridge. And another empty pack of cheese. It sounds like my toast is ready. I just know this toast is gonna be so good. What in the world? What happened to my toast? I just bought this toaster. It better not be broken. I mean, it's like burnt to a crisp. What is wrong with this thing? Wait, why is this on 6? I set this to 1. Naiah! Elli!
Yes, Mommy?
What setting does Mommy like her toast on?
You'd like it really like a 1.
That's right, like a 1. And Ellie, how old are you?
6?
6. That means if I like it on a 1, I don't like it on the same number as Ellie's age. Who turned the toaster up to a 6 when I distinctly remember turning it to a 1? I mean, would any of you like toast that looks like this?
Ooh, me.
Are you kidding me? You want this burnt bread? So are you the one who turned the toaster up and burnt my toast?
No.
Look at that! It disintegrated in my hands because it's all burnt out! No one mess with my toaster.
Okay.
That's all ruined. Might as well make myself some cereal. Okay, what cereal do we have? Oh, great. We have, is that Raisin Bran? Oh, Raisin Bran. Ooh, Frosted Flakes. I didn't know we still had some of these. I love Frosted Flakes. They're great. I'll use my cute Pasheen bowl. No, look at her in the donut. get my almond milk. I like almond milk. What? Where are all the spoons? Ugh. Where's the spoon? My cereal's gonna get soggy. Maybe there's one in the pantry. Soggy. Where are the spoons? Who moved the spoons? Where are the spoons? My cereal's getting soggy. Spoons. Okay, I gotta find the spoons. I gotta find the spoons. Who hid the spoons behind all of this? What are these? Really? Let me hurry up. Finally. I'm really leaving such a mess. This is gonna be so good. What is this? Who put these yellow slime balls in here? Huh? My cereal? What is going on? It must be Naiah and Elli!
Yes, Mommy?
What is one of my favorite cereals in the whole wide world?
Plastic flakes.
That's right, Frosted Flakes. Not yellow Frosted Flakes, slime flakes. Why did you guys put these slime balls in here?
Ellie, do you want to answer Mommy why you did this? Do you want to answer Mommy why you did this?
Oh no. One of you is going to take responsibility for putting this in my Frosted Flakes. I mean, who would want to eat this? You can't eat it now.
Maybe this went moldy. Or maybe the milk turned to butter beads.
Mold and butter beads. Yeah, that seems logical. Ugh. Which one of you did this? Oh, really? No one wants to admit it. Maybe you'll want some of this. Who wants the Frosted Flake? Who wants it? Who wants it?
Mom, are you okay?
Just go and play. Since I can't eat, I might as well go get dressed. Oh, actually, I'm not going anywhere. I think I just need to take a nap. Oh. Those girls gotta learn to stop pranking me. what a good nap. Something feels weird. Hello? Why can't I open my eyes? Hello? 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 I can't see. Hello? Ah! Hello? Who put shaving cream on me while I was napping?
You know what, Mommy? Me and Ellie were talking, and we think it was the slime master.
The slime master. Well, guess what? Today, I'm the shaving cream master. Come